Hello everyone, this is Selena Thomas and I'm going to do a lesson called The Alphabetic Code, Understanding Vowel Teams. So our learning objectives will be identifying vowel teams in words, blend letter sounds to form words, understand how vowel teams help with reading and spelling. So our essential question is, how do vowel patterns help us read and spell words? Vowel patterns help us read and spell words because they tell us how letters work together to make sounds. When we learn the patterns, we can sound out new words, spell words correctly, and read more easily. So here are some examples of some vowel teams. Vowel teams are two vowels that work together to make one sound. So the first example is AI, as in rain. So the AI will make a long A sound. The second one is double E in tree, and that makes a long E sound. The next one is OA in boat. The OA makes a long O sound. The EA in bread makes like a short E sound. And there's the AY in play. So the AI and the AY are very similar because they make that long A sound, but the placement of the AI and the AY are different. The AI is usually in the middle and the AY is at the end. And also to note, sometimes EAs in like a different word, like as in read, would make like a long E sound, like with the double E's, but like the double E's will usually make long E's, and then depending how the EA, it can make a long E or a short E, depending how it's used or which word you're using it in. Okay, so we're gonna do a jump for sound. So I'm going to say a word, and then you'll jump or stand depending on the sound. So the word is boat, and so you would have jumped for two sounds because boat makes two. So we're gonna do blending now. And so I'm going to model how to blend certain words, and if you can, model and blend with me, please. So the first word will be rain, or ain. Then we're gonna do boat, boat, seed. Okay, so we're gonna do the sound hop. That's another game. So you're gonna step forward or jump whenever you hear or see the vowel teams. So I'm gonna say coat. So can you tell me what vowel team I used? If you said OA, you would be right. Okay, so now you're gonna get a partner. So one partner will say a word regularly, and the other one will blend it out. Okay, so for example, you would do, the first partner would say team, and then the next partner would be team. Okay, so I'm going to, so for this one, I'm gonna say like 3 letters, and then you have to unscramble them. ATB. And then if you unscramble them, it should be bat. So Think of a word with a vowel team and say it out loud. What vowel team does it use? So you guys are gonna break, so we're just gonna have you do some independent practice doing this. So you'll do this by yourself for a little bit. Okay, I think I gave you enough time, so we're gonna move on to the next. So, what new words did you learn today? What vowel team do you find the easiest to remember? Sounds make words, words makes reading. What is a vowel team? A vowel team would be like AI, AO, EA. How are AI and AY similar and different? Well, similar, they would, they make that long A, and different is the placement of the word. Why do some words use EE while others use EA? I think it just depends on the situation. Like, I would use the EA instead of EE because, like, the EA can make a short E, and the EE only makes the long E for the most part. And then just depends on what word you're trying to spell determines whether you use EE or EA. Now create a sentence with at least two vowel teams. Any questions? Let's read some words together. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.